What's up, guys? Get ready with me for the day. What should I say? I have two special guests today. I have my sister cousin, Mary Jane. Hi, sister. Guys, my best friend.
Hello.
She acts like my little sister, but don't mind. So we will be trying this cola thing. We already tried it. So I rated a 9.5 out of 10.
I rated the 8.5 out of 10. I rated also 9.5, guys.
So we're gonna show you guys our outfit. First up we have Ava.
My outfit, a jumpsuit.
Next we have Mary Jane.
Hi guys. First up I have my was my skirt.
She's keeping it cute.
My top.
Pishas. Next it's me. I have a black and white skirt I love. And I'm gonna put on a black shirt. Don't mind my brother that said that I am black, so we're gonna go change it.
It's not a shirt.
But you know, jeans are black now.
We're gonna change in our clothes.
Jeans what jeans are like?
We're gonna show our outfit. First off, we got my bestie Ava. That acts like my little sister.
Here's mine.
Since we have my cousin Mary Jane, that acts like my sister. The next we have me, that acts like myself. Okay, now next we're gonna go
Brush our teeth and wash our